Well, hello guys. Let's pick some winners. Alright, for the crochet knit giveaway, we have put in the URL. We're going to filter duplicate users, get the comments. We had 40 unique comments. And let's go pick a winner. Joshua and Doris Artman. They're fairly new to my channel, but they comment all the time. Congratulations, guys. The sunflower loofah is so cute. Thank you for your generosity and sharing with us. This is the first time you've ever won on my channel. Well, congratulations, and stay to the end, and I will explain to you how you can collect your giveaway prize. Congratulations. All right, let's see who's going to win the cross-stitch kit and the Spanish cross-stitch patterns. So I put in the URL. We're going to filter duplicate users and get the YouTube comments. Okay, there were 42 comments, so let's see who's going to win. This is for the cross-stitch giveaway. Melanie Titus. All right, let me scroll down because I want to be able to read what she says. Hi, Alicia. I would love a tutorial for your ear warmers. That is a beautiful cross-stitch kit. Those lovely pamphlets are in Espanol or Spanish. After 6 years of school Spanish classes and not getting to practice it for 24 years after that, I knew some of the words under the pictures. I'm very uncertain about what I read. LOL. Ooh, I used to love V.C. Andrews because I talked about I have a V.C. Andrews collection in books. I hope you have a great week. Good luck, everyone. Well, congratulations, Melanie. Stay to the end of the video, and I will explain how you can claim your winnings. I am so excited for you guys. Right, now for the winner of the clay book and the iron-on transfers. I put in the URL. We're going to filter duplicate users and get the comments, and there were 42 unique comments. My lucky number's in the 40s, it looks like. All right, let's see who won. As it goes. Ellie Leva, congratulations. I would love to get both. I've started my embroidery stash and also bought some cooking clay to add handles to my crochet hooks, and we'll have plenty clay left over, and the clay ideas are perfect for it. Thank you. Well, congratulations, Ellie. Y'all be sure and stay to the end of the video, and I will explain to you how you can collect your prizes. I'm so happy for you guys. Good evening, guys. So, I don't know why I said good evening because I've been filming. So, what you have to do to win, or you are a winner. My hair's down for the first time in a while. What you have to do to win is you need to email me, young40mom@gmail.com. Make sure you put winner. I'll put it over here. In the subject line, you want to please do that because that way it'll search my spam folder too if you end up in my spam folder. So young40mom@gmail.com. Put winner in the subject line and give me your mailing address, and I will get your giveaway prizes out to you. Congratulations to all the winners. I'm sorry I didn't get it done this weekend. It's been pretty busy. I am doing my last live this Friday night on my Facebook page. The link to my Facebook page is down below. I do have my Facebook page open to the public, so yeah, and it's going to be on my personal page because all my friends end up buying my stuff locally. So if you want to come check me out, please come see me. Come say hi. You don't have to buy anything. Just come and see what I got, and just hang out with me for about an hour. It's going to be from 7 to 8 Eastern Standard Time on Friday night. It will be my last live that I'm going to do for the holidays, and then I'm going to set up local shop to sell some of my other items in one of the local parking lots here in town. But anyways, so yeah, and then eventually I'm going to get my stuff. I've got Ellie over here, and I got one side of Ellie on me, and the other side I've got, Boo Boo Kitty, And then on the other side, I've got Ramsey. Anyway, all right. So I'm going to go. I'm going to bed. Congratulations, guys. But yeah, please contact me, and I will get those shipped out to you. Have a great night, guys. And I will see you probably in the next day or two. Of course, every Sunday and Friday, Sunday and Wednesday at 5:30 Eastern Standard Time, I post my retro videos from my Raw channel. It's a compilation. It's usually 3 or 4 videos, and it's just idle chit chat and information of nutrition and just little fun facts that I find out, and rants and all that good stuff. It's not craft related, I'll tell you that now. But anyway, so yeah, I'll talk to you then. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Thank you for participating. Thank you for being part of my life. It means the world to me. You just don't know. And there she comes. There she is. She had to get in on this. That's a boo-boo kitty. That's the mama kitty. Well, she's not a mama kitty anymore. She got fixed. She's tiny. She looks big on camera, but she's actually very small. She's got 2 face. What you doing? This is what happens when I don't touch her. If I don't pet her, this is what she'll do. She'll try to eat my fingers. She'll lick my fingers and push on my fingers. Anyway, okay, I'm going to go. Bye.